epsilon move to NFA without epsilon moves. That means they will give this diagram. From this diagram we have to extract the problem. Look at here, this is the diagram. 3 states we are having, Q0, Q1 and Q2. From Q0 to Q1 we having A as a symbol, and Q1 to Q2 epsilon. Epsilon is used for moving from one state to another state, and the self loop is having a B symbol. For E epsilon Q0, it can't go to another state because already one A symbol is there. So we want to write Q0 only. Then E closure Q1. We are having epsilon, so it can move from one state to another state. So from Q1 to Q2, we can write both the states Q1 and Q2. Coming to epsilon Q0, E closure Q0 equals to. There is no other state, but self loop is there. We can't go for another state, so we can able to write only Q2. Up to here we finished. We want to solve the Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2 with the formula. Delta dash Q0 comma A equals to E closure delta into E closure Q0 comma A. This is the formula. Based on this, we want to do the problem. E closure Q0 comma A. Q0 comma A. Where it is going? A. Q0 to Q1. So we have to write E closure Q1. What is the value of Q1? Q1 value? Q1 comma Q2. So we will get the answer delta dash Q0 comma A equals to Q1 comma Q2. Okay? We will go for Q0 A finished. Then we want to do Q0 comma B. We will go for Q0 comma B. The same formula, E closure delta comma E closure, delta into E closure Q0 comma B. The same value, Q0 comma B. It is not going to Q0 comma B. So there is no that state. Instead of that, we have to write pi. Next, delta dash Q1 comma A. We want to solve the next one. Q1 comma A, same formula, E closure delta into E closure Q1 comma A. What you will get Q1 comma A? There is no that state. Q1 comma A values is there. So we have to initiate that value. We have to do that union. Q1 and Q2, Q1 values are. So we initiated Q1 comma Q2 as an A. E closure delta Q1 comma A union, and then delta Q2 comma A. What is Q1 comma A? Q1 comma A. There is no value. So we can initiate pi here. Q2 comma A, Q2. There is no value. There is no transition. So again we will initiate pi. Pi union pi, we will get only pi. And that's all. We finished delta dash Q1 comma A. We have to go for delta dash Q1 comma B, the next one. The same, E closure delta E closure Q1 comma B. Q1 comma B, what is the what are the values here? Q1 comma Q2. These are the values. So again we initiated Q1 comma Q2 comma B. So we are doing for B. E closure delta Q1 comma B union delta Q2 comma B. Q1 comma B is going here. Q1 comma B. No, epsilon symbol is there. There is no state it is going. So we will initiate this pi. Union Q2 comma B. Q2. B is there. Self loop. So we will initiate Q2 only. Q2. Pi union Q2, what is the value we will get? Q2. E closure Q2 is the value for delta dash Q1 comma B. The next one. The last one, delta Q2 comma A. E closure delta into E closure Q2 comma A. Strictly we can go for Q2. A is not there. Directly we can write pi. And B is there. Directly we can write here Q0 comma A. You can draw Q1 and Q2 states as an A 0. Here see for A we written Q0 A to Q1 and then Q2 to A. Both A's are finished from the first state. The next one is pi. We don't want to do that draw that pi diagram. And the next state also pi. No need of that one. Next Q2 for B. Q1 to Q2. The state is finished. Next one is pi. We don't need to draw. The next one is delta dash Q2 of B. What we got answer Q2. Q2 self loop. From Q2